Welcome back. Now we are going to discuss about plumbing systems. Okay, that is unit number 5. In that, we are going to discuss about the plumbing services. Okay, plumbing services includes services like water supply, drainage, sanitation, and gas supply required for buildings. In all buildings, in order to meet the needs of occupants, adequate water must be available. Further water needs for fire protection, heating, then air conditioning, okay, must also be met. Before designing a building, water needs must be computed. Study should be carried out to determine the availability of sufficient quantity of water from source like public water supplies, groundwater, and surface water. Generally, public water supplies furnish suitably treated water, means we are getting treated water through the public water supply system. Okay, and however, ground and surface waters may require the treatment in the building before the distribution for human consumption. Okay, means here in the before going to consume that water for human, we have to go for the treatment, because of in that some silt or some debris will be there. Okay, so and some acidic content will be there, so we have to remove those contents before consumption of the water, uh, whatever water we are getting from the ground or surface water. Okay, then transmission and distribution of water for buildings is generally made through pipes, which may be run underground or above ground. The water used in buildings changes into wastewater. This wastewater is collected in pavements and receptacle of special design. The water so collected is then conveyed through drain pipes by simple gravity to join the municipal sewers laid underground under the streets. The water convenience system is comprised of branches and a sewer laid sloping to obtain a self-cleaning underground. The convenience system is also provided with underground chambers like manholes and other uh, things like the gully trap, grease trap, ventilating pipes, and so on. Okay. Then now we are going to discuss about the uh, planning of plumbing system. Okay. Here about the drainage plan. uh, in order to plan a plumbing system, it is essential to secure a sewer or waste disposal plan of the site. Structural plans and elevations of the building, along with preliminary architectural details, should also be obtained. The data regarding the estimated occupancy, that is the number of persons, sex, work schedules, and pertinent details of any manufacturing performance to be performed in the building should be obtained. The house drains are connected to the municipal sewers. They carry spent water containing unstable organic matter which decomposes and produces fuel smelling gases under anaerobic conditions. These gases, being lighter and warmer, back up through sewer and then through the house drains and may escape out at the spent water inlet which form the high point in the total drainage system. Okay, and this will cause a serious nuisance in hazardous of residents by falling the year inside. Okay, so we have to take due care about the planning of the plumbing system. Okay, here you can see a plan. Okay, here this is the plot size. Okay, and here uh, road is there. Okay, this is the main axis to the plot, and in that building is constructed, or we can say we are going to plan the construct the building in this way. Okay, veranda, drawing room, come dining, kitchen, bedroom, storeroom, and here to the bedroom WC toilets are attached. Okay, so wherever water is required, okay, means whatever water requirement is there, we have to supply to each and every unit. Okay, uh, without disturbance and with the required quantity, we have to supply the water to each and every unit of the building. Okay, generally in a water closet, bathrooms, or in a toilets, urinals, wherever we are going to provide the sink, then after that lavatory basins or basins, then in a kitchen. Okay, water is required. Okay, and after use of that water, some wastewater will be there. So that wastewater we have to collect it through the pipes, and then we have to release that water into the uh, public sewer or the municipal drainage line. Okay, so here you can see this is the kitchen. Okay, this here kitchen platform is there. In that kitchen platform, at this position sink is provided, and here water taps are required. Okay, so uh, you have to supply the water supply to the sink, as well as in a water closet uh, units or bathrooms or in a toilets. Okay, uh, for supplying separate distribution system should be there. Okay, and for collecting wastewater, another system you have to plan. Okay, as per the requirement, you can see here, if you have uh, adopted rainwater harvesting, then here you can see these are the rainwater harvesting pipes are there. Okay, and near to that rainwater harvesting pipe, gully traps are used. Okay,